I said page 205. Put your pencil down. All right, I want you to look at your example. All it takes is your eyeballs. Now, when we did addition and we regrouped, we took some ones. Oops, sorry. We took some ones. Okay? We took 10 ones with addition, right? 10 ones, and we regrouped them into what? Into one 10 block, right? Yes? Okay? Now, with subtraction, you will fall backwards. With your legs up and your chair back, you will crack your head on this concrete. With subtraction, we're going backwards. This time, we're going to take a 10 block, Bryce. We're going to take a 10 block, and we're going to regroup it into 10 ones. Okay? You with me so far?
Yes.
Okay. So, look at your example. We have 1 10 and 8 ones. Okay? So we have 1 10 and we have 8 ones. Right? Okay? We are going to, Mary, put your pencil down. I'm telling y'all, if y'all aren't paying attention right now, y'all are going to be completely lost when it comes to you doing it.
Boys and girls, it's not hard, it's just a new concept.
You have to pay attention or you're going to be lost. It's not going to make any sense to you. Now, we're going to take the 10 frame, this right here, we're going to take it and we're going to break it down into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So we've taken the 10 block, you're not even paying attention. Taking the 10 block, it's no longer there, and we're putting it over here. Okay? So now, how many 10s do we have? Sterling? No? We have 0 10s. Turn all the way around. Now we have 0 10s because we've taken it and we've broken it down over here, right? So now, how many ones do we have, Bryce?
We have.
No, I'm here. I want you to figure it out, not read it in the book. Close. We have 18 ones. So what we did was we took this 10, we added the 10 down here. Now we have 10. We started with 8. 8 plus 10 is what?
18.
18. Okay? I want you to look at number 1. Number 1 says we have 2 10s, 0 1s. I didn't say pick up your pencils yet. Your pencil should still be down. This is going to equal a new set of 10s and a new set of 1s. Okay? We're going to take, let's go with this one. We're going to take this one. We're going to move it. What are we going to do with it? Brayden? Well, we're not going to get rid of it, but what are we going to do, Hollis?
We're gonna put that one in the buns.
We're going to put it into the 1. So now we're going to have 10 1 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? What do we do with this one right here? Bryce? We're just going to move it over. That's all we do. Right? Okay? So, now how many 10s do we have, Kylie? We have 1 10. And how many 1s do we have, James?
10 ones.
10 1s. Now write this down. No, Sterling. Now write this down.
Is that 11?
No.
I thought that too.
It's still the same number. We just broke one of the 10s down.
Oh.
All right. Put your pencils down. Put your pencils down. Not right now. You have another one you can use. All right. Look at number 2. Number 2 says we have 3 10s and 3 1s. Okay? So now it's going to be a new 10 and a new 1. Hollis, turn all the way around. What are we going to do with this 10 right here? Wasim? We're going to break it into 1. So now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? What do I do with this 10 and this 10? Right? We're just going to move these over. So 1 10, 2 10. Here's a question. What do I do with these ones right here? Brock?
You move them over.
We're just going to move them over too. 1, 2, 3. So now we have a new number. Mary, turn all the way around and pay attention. So how many 10s do we have now, Kylie?
2.
Now we only have 2 10s. 1, 2. But how many 1s do we have now, Maya? Because we have 10 here that we broke down from here, and now we have our original 3. 10 plus 3 is what? 13. Okay? I want you to try number 3. I want you to try number 3. If you didn't write number 2 down, it's 2 10s and 13 1s.
Do we draw an arrow?
It's already done for you. I just wanted you to know what to do. Alright, so we started with 5 10s and 6 1s. And now what's our new regrouping going to be, James?
4 10s and 25 ones.
4 10s and how many ones?
25.
No, not 25. Taylor, how many? 16. Okay? Here's how we figured this out. We're gonna, y'all gotta stop with the talking. We're gonna take this 10 right here, And what are we going to do with it? We're going to chop it up. So we're going to move it over here. We're going to... So here's our 10, right? What about these ones right here? We going to leave them, Walker?
Nope.
What are we going to do? We're just going to slide them over, right? Okay, so we're going to slide them over here. So now we have the 6. Okay, what about these 10 blocks right here, Braden? We're just going to slide them over. So now we add everything up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1.
I got a little.
That's fine. I'm just explaining it to you. Make sense? Y'all with me? Okay. Turn to page 206. We're going to go over it. Whoa! I said turn the page. I didn't say talk to anybody. You're confused what? They're red. Y'all, go back to page 205. Wasim, page 205. I want you to look at it. Put your hands down right now. Okay. The new block, when you take the 10 block, which is yellow, everybody look at your book. Everybody look at your book. 2 10s and 0 1s. Look at number 1. They're yellow, right? Okay? When you take one of the 10s and you move it over and break it down into 1s, they changed them to red. That's so you could see that is now 10 1s instead of 1 10 block. Okay? They're not. They're red. You colored them in. What, Sterling? I'm sorry. You'll be okay. All right, turn to page 206. They're just color-coded so you can see the old 10 blocks chopped up. Okay? All right. Now, you have word form. Okay? You have 1 10, 2 1s, and now we're going to regroup them into a new 10 and a new 1. Right? Okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're still going to take a 10. Right? We're going to take this 10. So we're going to subtract 1 10. Right? You with me?
Yes.
So if we take away 1 10, how many 10s do we have left, Braden?
0.
We have 0 left. Okay? But what do we do with that 10 block that we just took, Hollis?